My name is Aaron. I'm from the United States, from Suffolk, Virginia. That's where I originally come from. I'm at Conestoga College doing the public relations degree program here. And it's been a fantastic place to learn. It's very hands-on education. So I'm hosting an event for a non-for-profit in the community called Reception House Charity. And basically what they do is they help refugees and internationals who are coming to our community to assimilate to the area. So they give housing opportunities, they give trauma therapy, they help teach English. So the event is called Coffee House for Reception House, and it's just to get together with people from the community who want to help donate some money. It's $10 for admission. And I thought of the international community here because I found that these social opportunities to get together and meet with people were so key in building a life up here and just building these connections. The biggest thing I would say is take a chance and put yourself out there a little bit. People here are very friendly. There's so many opportunities to get together and meet with people, and you're not alone too. There are so many international students, and not just students, just people in our community who come from all over the world.